Hello, my name is Fabián Valderrama Martínez. Strict pronunciation activity talking about my tourist destination. 1. Did you spend a lot of money on your last trip? Was in the right amount? The last trip I made was to the Tatacoa Desert. I consider that this tourist site is very close to where I live, so I spend the right amount for that. 2. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place for you? Yes, I hiked in the sand dunes, and the most interesting place was the swimming pool, the Oyos. 3. What is the most unknown food you hate eating during a trip? The ghost stew. 4. What was the best place you visit in your city? The hill on the Fallen Lord Montserrat. 5. What was the most expensive place you visit in your city? San Joaquin and restaurant with typical gastronomy on the region. Thank you.